Did you reacted on something and now you're feeling guilty about it? Maybe you scolded your child and now you're not feeling nice about it. ऐसे मन में आ रहा है कि why did I do it? मैंने ये क्यों किया? Relax. It is okay. Feeling guilty of reacting on certain things later on, matlab regretting on reacting certain things, it happens very often. It's very normal. It's very common. But this emotion, if you're going to hold it for a longer period of time, then it is going to be very big disaster for your health. Namaste, my name is Nehha Jaiswal and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to release this guilt of reacting or saying something harsh to your family members, to your loved ones. And this is going to be super, super important for you because you should not hold that guilt or regret because it will manifest into diseases in your body. Emotions are the main cause of the diseases. So please understand and do this 5 minutes meditation with me, and you will feel amazing. I promise you. Let's begin. So, what you just need to sit in a quiet place, put on your headphones, and just do whatever I'm saying, in the guided meditation. That's it. And yes, let's get started. Let's move to the meditation part. So, sit in the same position and listen to this music. Close your eyes. If you want, you can hold the Hasta Mudra or you can release, whichever is comfortable for you to experience this. Close your eyes and simply listen to this music. Give me a thumbs up if the voice is okay, my voice is okay. Okay, thank you. Completely relax. Completely relax. Release the tension from your muscles. Relax your entire body. Observe your breathing. Observe the movements of your belly while you're breathing. Observe the movements of your chest region while you're breathing. Can you release the tension from the neck? Bring your energy to your neck region. Release the tension. Relax. And now, gently bring into your mind a moment where you reacted and later on regretted that you shouldn't have said like that. Not one, but there can be many moments like that where you might have scolded someone or raised your voice and later on felt very bad, and you felt if you could reverse this. I'm here to tell you, you do not have to feel guilty. Simply place your right hand on your heart. Place your right hand on your heart and repeat this in your mind after me. I love my family members. I love the people around me. I take care of them. But sometimes, when my energy is low, I react. Maybe I use harsh words, and it is okay. Sometimes such reaction is required to bring balance, to bring clarity, and to safeguard my boundaries. I forgive myself. I let it go. I'm sending loving energy to the person I hurt from deep down in my heart. From my heart to their heart, I'm sending this loving energy. I truly care for them. I love them. And I will make sure that I show more love, more respect to their values, to their opinions, to their way of living life. I let them be whatever they want. I release my control. Take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale and release that guilt. Inhale. Exhale and release that guilt. Relax. Release your hand, relax. Now gently bring both your hands into Namaste and rub your palms, generate heat. Place both your palms on your closed eyes, feel that energy. And bring your hands in front of your face, open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. All right, so I hope it made you feel a little lighter. All right, I hope that was super useful to you, super valuable to you. I hope you're feeling relaxed and calm and that heaviness from your chest has gone. If it has happened, please let me know in the comments below how are you feeling. And if you want to understand how emotions are causing diseases in body and it can lead to high blood pressure, diabetes and various ulcers in your body, all those things, in fact, tension and stress and all these emotions they cause um, increasing in your weight also. It will cause fat deposits also. So if you want to understand more and come out of these lifestyle problems and take back the control of your emotions and master your mind, then you have to definitely attend my next masterclass. The link is in the description below. Please attend, it's a free class, and I will thank you so much. Hare Krishna.